Michael. How are you?
Good, Tatiana. Good to see you again.
Here.
Yeah.
And as far as I remember, that was one of the very first meetings that we had together at as Cryptocurrency Club. Remember that? Yeah.
Yeah.
We met like a year and a half ago, and that was
Planet Blockchain, and then Blockchain Lovers Dubai. Yeah.
Yeah.
Those
that was
meetings,
really
were
exciting
great.
times. So, what do you think about the market right now, Michael?
Well, I think we're at, in the short term, we're at a support of 3,300, and I haven't checked in the last hour. We could have fallen below it. We're at a resistance for Bitcoin of 3,500, and we're not looking at going up past 4,000, I would say, or past 4,200 without having a dip first, because if Bitcoin goes up to 4,200, you've got a lot of bears, you've got a lot of people who are only looking to short the market, and what they'll end up doing is they'll end up shorting, when it gets high enough, It's even, before I left, it was having trouble getting past 3,500. So I think what the chances are more likely of happening are a large dip or crash. I'm not saying today, I'm not saying tomorrow, I'm probably saying within the next 3 to 4 weeks. And if it doesn't have a large dip or crash, then I would expect sideways action for Bitcoin, not above 5,000, and it needs to stay above 3,000 to avoid crashing, because all the strong support areas are 3,200, which has already been tested, 3,300, which has been broken through a couple of times, and 3,000, which hasn't been tested. So it could fall to 3,000 and bounce. If it goes below 3,200, it will almost certainly fall to 3,000. And if it goes below 3,000, I think there'll be a crash. So you might want to have stop losses set around that area for everything. If you want to buy it back cheaper. And then we're hoping, everyone's hoping, even the bears, because even the bears are sick of seeing it going down. All those guys who've been saying, we've been shorting. Whoopee, we've been making money in this bear market. There's a lot of people like that. A lot of people have made good money shorting. But, now isn't the time for shorting, but you might want to do a short trade, right on 3,000 as it falls below 3,000. And then we're looking for a V-shaped recovery, so it has to recover quickly, within a couple of days. It has to have the quick recovery. And what I'm hoping that will be, and what a lot of other people are hoping that will be, is the bottom. The bottom for good 6 months. No one can really predict what will happen in 6 months' time. Now, if that doesn't happen, we would, and the price rises, we would expect the bottom to be lower. I'm not going to make any predictions what the bottom will be, but in the groups I'm in, I've had predictions from 800 to 2,600 as what they predict the bottom is. And that's talking about, based on the current market conditions. We might see next year a lot more bullishness or a bearishness. So if we don't get a bottom soon, within the next 3 weeks, that prediction will change. So yeah, that's what I see is happening with the market, and everything else will follow Bitcoin, unfortunately, as it always does. Yeah. probably bottom for Ethereum. If Bitcoin goes down, sub 2,000 would be about $40. If it goes sub, if Bitcoin goes down to 800, I'd say you'd be seeing $20 Ethereum, and you might be seeing $3 to $5 Litecoin. So
wow, I would love to see $20 Ethereum.
yeah,
I would.
yeah,
Absolutely.
you'll be buying, not selling. But
Yes,
yeah,
exactly.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Michael, for your insights. And
Yeah.
enjoy your evening here. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your drinks. And
Yeah.
let's hope that 2019 will be a lot more positive year.
yeah.
than 2018.
Let's hope this bottom party really is a bottom party. I mean,
Bottom party here.
yeah, yeah,
Bottom.
Yeah.
Not up.
yeah. Okay, thanks.